Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock Premier account on Counter-Strike 2. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you're new to CS2, you can go ahead and go to the dashboard right here, and you'll be able to see a Buy Prime button at the top right. Just click on it, and if you can't find it, go ahead over to your store right here on Steam. Find Counter-Strike 2, click on it. Now scroll down and find Buy Prime Status Upgrade. Okay, it says here, Counter-Strike 2 players with Prime Status are matched with other Prime Status players and are eligible to receive Prime exclusive souvenir items, item drops, and weapon cases. Okay, this package grants Prime account status in Counter-Strike 2. So just click on Add to Cart and continue with the payment process. And once that's done, just close this one and you'll be Prime enabled. But you won't be able to play Premier after that. Okay, you will have to click on play right here. And first up, if you want to unlock Premier as quickly as possible, it is recommended that you play Deathmatch first. Okay, and here in this section, in this tab, play around with Deathmatch until you unlock Competitive. Okay, once it's unlocked, you will need to play and to win 10 games. Okay, and once you've won 10 games, you can now be eligible to play Premier. Okay, and that is it. Again, play Deathmatch. Once you are now eligible on playing competitive, play competitive, win 10 games, and then once done, Premier right here will be unlocked. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.